My name's Bill, and I live in an RV down by the river. Here's my trip to the Sani Dump, and maybe to get a haircut. Today I'm going to drop my, no I'm not. Today I'm going to clean out my tanks. Gray water, black water, right? First thing you want to do though is make sure you're unplugged. Shut off your furnace and your propane, and you want to make sure water pumps off and everything else that shouldn't be on is off, and then you can drive. And that's what I'm going to do. Come along for the beautiful drive. Now I've already dropped mine off the blocks I had it on. I've already unplugged it, so I'm just letting it warm up, and then we're going to head to the Sani Dump. And my dogs have gone nuts for some reason. Alright, so I did a final walk around just in case, because last time I destroyed some lawn furniture. There's Poppy peeking in behind me there. I got that plastic up. I can take it down now just because we are going to get some cold weather last month. So anyways, we're going to continue on our journey. Off we go. Supposed to park here overnight. Albertans just park wherever they want, I guess. Here we are, the great Sani Dump. There we go, we drove here and made it. Next step, hosing it up. Okay, so we got the hose hooked all up. It's time for the fun stuff. Please rinse I always rinse after a good dump. Anyway, so we got the hose. I'm gonna leave it hooked up. I shut the gray water, and then I'm gonna hook my hose up and rinse out the black water from my toilet. I got my hose just in there, spinning around, getting rid of the you-know-whats. We'll go outside and check. So as you can see, it's still coming out a little bit brown, so I'll leave the water running for a few more minutes, and then I'll just shut it off. And then we can go on our way to get water for the rest of the place. So I just wanted to double check the water out here is running still a little bit brown, and then once it's clear, I'll put it in there, and I gotta throw, what do they call it? Not pucks or something, but I gotta throw them into the toilet so that it helps with the funk. I got the funk sometimes. Oof, just like that, the water's off. There's a little bit of residue right there. You don't want to drink this water, so I had to stop at a gas station and fill up my gray water tank with that. It's just tap water, it's all good. And then I just got to clean out the old poop pipe, which is always fun. I'm not going to show that part because I usually get some in my hair. Anyways, we'll continue this journey. The gross part. So now I turn the water on. Look at me, I'm like a psycho. Anyways, that's a long ass hair. I'm gonna turn the water on and clean out my poop pipe holder. We're almost done. Just gotta put this away and then grab a Tim Hortons snack. So drained this, and I'm gonna plug it into this end, like they're female, male going into each end, and that's it. I'll wrap it up, and I got the same kind of hose to put my real water, drinking water in. But I have it right here. Good idea to make sure those things are separate. Okay, I got one more thing to do. I gotta get my bottles gathered up and send them by the garbage cans because there's a guy that likes to come by and collect them. Let's do that. Alright, so I got a little tea from Tim Hortons. Hey lady, how's it going? And then bagel with some cream cheese. That's not for me though, it's a request. Apparently I do requests now. I can't say requests because I got all my teeth taken out. Check out those videos. Okay, we're off. I think someone got policed right there. Police were sitting there with a thumb in their bum. Well, made it back to my spot. I love that everything's done. I just got to plug in, put her back on block so it's level, turn on my furnace, turn on the old water tank, and then I'm golden. Remember to hit that like and share and subscribe button, and you know the deal. If you don't like anybody, send my videos to the person you don't like. They'll never talk to you again. You know the rules. Anyways, thanks for stopping by as always, everybody. And happy Easter, and enjoy your weekend.